Hello, good day everyone. My name is Chi Lun, and I'm from Toso Asia, doing regional sales. I'm glad to be here today to be talking to you about Toso Corporation and introducing to you about G11, our flagship analyzer for HbA1c detection. So first, after my first part of presentation, which is company introduction, then I'll move on to G11 system introduction. This is Toso Corporation. I'm responsible for Bioscience division, but today I'll be giving you an overall of what Toso Corporation is about to have a better understanding of our company. Toso Corporation is a global chemical company. We are founded in 1935. Our headquarters is in Tokyo, Japan, and we are a parent company of a group Toso group of companies over more than 100 worldwide, and we generate sales of about 7.4 billion in the year of 2018. We are the number one manufacturer of caustic soda and vinyl chloride monomer in Asia. So we have five different groups, uh, mainly classified as petrochemical group, in charge of the chemicals, olefins, and polymers for manufacturing of plastic, perfumes, diaper, adhesive, or food packaging, for example. And we have chloro-alkali group, which are the basic chemicals for soap or sodium hypochlorites used in swimming pool. We also have polyurethane, it's an adhesive or materials like cement. We are using it in construction. And then we have specialty group. We have organic chemicals used in agriculture, petroleum, electronic materials used in batteries. Also, last but not least, we have Total Bioscience division, where we have further divided into two categories: the diagnostic group and the separation group. Okay, and then we have engineering group, responsible for water treatment and construction, and other groups for total logistic, excuse me, total IT support and general services. Yep. So Toso Bioscience companies, this what you see here on the top is the main Toso Corporation, and then we have Toso Asia. That's where I'm working at, responsible for Southeast Asia and Oceania region. And we have other division as well, other entity, Toso Europe Bioscience, India Bioscience, and Toso America Bioscience, Europe as well, and Shanghai, China. So as I mentioned earlier, we have two division, two business of our bioscience division. First is diagnostic, and then secondly is a separation business. So diagnostic business, we are dealing with HPLC system for HbA1c detection and as well as beta thalassemia. We have enzyme immunoassay instruments, AIA series and reagent. So enzyme immunoassay for in terms of the 3T3, 3T4, TSH, etc., or cancer marker. So those are available on our system as well. And we have a genetic diagnostic instrument, TRC, for PCR quantification of the tuberculosis, uh, as well as chlamydia, gonorrhea, etc. Then we have a separation business. We manufacture our own columns and resin. We call them TSK gel and Toyo Pearl, and we have a system that is can be using these columns. And mainly the applications are in the research laboratories to purify or to detect these proteins. Also used in industrial purification and separation process for biopolymers. So in a way, in manufacturing of our vaccines for COVID-19 vaccines, part of the process uses our torso column. So this is where our application can come into picture. So now I'm further going into Toso Biosite diagnostic product. So Toso AIA immunoassay products are on top, and below are the HbA1c analyzer system. So the AIA immunoassay system you see here is in a one test one cup format. So it's a lyophilized powder form. So it can be used on all our system. So we have a small, medium, and large system here. So HbA1c, we have a small analyzer called GX. We have G8, which has been around for some time. So we have another newer model, G11, which I will go through with you shortly. So number of total HbA1c analyzer worldwide, we are number one position in Japan and in Europe. We are number two in US after our competitor. So in regions like China and Southeast Asia and Oceania region, we are trying to grow, and we have over 7,500 analyzers worldwide just for Toso HbA1c analyzer. Yeah. So what you see here is Toso Corporation, different manufacturing sites for different products. We have Toso AIA, the immuno products. They are all manufactured in Toyama City, Toso AIA. And then in Nanyo Complex, we have manufacturing of the separation product like the columns and diagnostic product for the HbA1c and beta thalassemia columns, as well as their reagents. So Toso High Tech will manufacture the separation products as well as diagnostic products. Bird's eye view of the Toso Nanyo complex. So it is about 690 football fields wide. It's one of the largest fully integrated chemical manufacturing complex in Japan. And we have the largest in-house power generating facility in Japan, can generate up to 675,000 kilowatts of electricity. So we have also our own port facility where the 48,000 ton cargo ship can dock at our port for the transportation of products. So this is a Toso picture of Toso Nanyo complex, more in picture. And yep, so the end of Toso. I hope I have given you at least a good idea of what Toso is about, and now you have a better understanding of Toso as a chemical company. And then now I'm going to talk to you about G11 minute. Yep. So you see here, G11 is the flagship system here, the latest model for HbA1c detection and beta thalassemia quantification. So this is the variant analysis mode. Also G11, we have high quality and quantity. Why do we say so? High quality in terms of the result that we report is high quality because we check through all the parameters, and we have auto validation, assisted auto validation to help the user to interpret the results. If there are any outliers or any interference, our system will be able to flag you, and you will know accordingly what is your next step. And quantity in terms of the throughput. So the system has 60 seconds per sample per analysis separation. So that means in 1 hour, which is 60 minutes, you are able to have 60 sample, 60 results provided. So 1 minute per separation. So HPLC analyzer, we have it for HbA1c for this mode, variant analysis mode. And then it's a 60 seconds per sample with CV less than 1%. We do not have interference from the common interfering substances like carbonated hemoglobin, acetylated hemoglobin, as well as no interference from HbF up to 30%. So we are able to separate and identify the common hemoglobins like A1A, A1B, HbF, LA1C, SA1C, and A0. You can see here the interassay CV less than 1%, CV percent over here for the low volume, low value, medium value, and high value, the CV are less than 1%. User friendliness, we have a color touchscreen, so it's easy to identify by different colors. We have a power on off timer, and the warm up can be automated. So in this screen here, you can see the power on off timer. So we can set Monday to Friday, start up at a specific time. The system will do it for you. So you do not have to come in and press the button and wait for it to warm up. So the warming up takes a short time. So for our system, the warming up takes 8 minutes. So after warming up, the first result uh, will be churned out every minute. But if the system is on a standby less than 70 minutes, the first 1 minute will be a pre-action followed by an analysis. So after that, every a minute, you will get your results. So if the standby is more than 70 minutes, we have the additional washing step, and then pre-action, and then separation. So altogether 3 minutes. So this shows here standby less than 70 minutes. If we press the start key, put the sample there, press the start key, and then after 2 minutes, you will get your first result. And subsequently, every minute, you will get one result at a time after every minute. So if the standby is more than 70 minutes, after 3 minutes, you will get the first result. So it's a short time. You do not have to do the warm up all over again. So you do not have to wait another 8 minutes. So we also have high security because we have a user log-on requirement for all the users using the system, and we have a handheld barcode reader. So this handheld barcode reader can help you to scan the reagents, can also help you to log into the system using a barcode